I would have to say being disappointed is an understatement as it relates to the ruling today by the Supreme Court on a 5-4 vote to, in effect, um, uh, shoot down Section 4 of the Voting Rights Act, which deals with the formulas used to determine whether certain changes made to the whether it's districts or voting laws, polling locations, things like that, are discriminating against particular um, citizens in the areas, and so by in effect striking that section down, you've made Section 5, which deals with the various jurisdictions, unenforceable. And so I think the effects of that, a decade ago we saw in Texas where they, in the middle of a census term, redrew the lines to, um, help buffet their Republican majorities. Under Section 4 and 5 of the Voting Rights Acts, you could challenge that, and it can or in some cases may be upheld. But you had a recourse to you know file grievances and try to make sure that electoral changes are fair and not discriminatory. With this action today, you lose that safety net, and so it's going to be interesting over the next months and years to see what the wide-ranging effects will be. But we can assume that in places, for instance, like here in Mississippi, where where our Secretary of State and Legislature are pushing hard for this voter ID law to be upheld. Um, you know, the Voting Rights Act, specifically sections 4 and 5, were the only thing standing in the way of that. And so it'll be interesting to see now the effect in which a lot of this regressive legislation that clearly is designed to affect minority voting strength will actually take hold and affect the process. Thank you very much.